Greetings my dears in love and light. The human electromagnetic field and how it affects how we read and feel about others. Everybody has an electromagnetic field stretching out around us. All living things have an electromagnetic field. Let me just describe for you what that is. The World Health Organization say that electric fields are created by differences in voltage. The higher the voltage, the stronger will be the resultant field. And magnetic fields are created when electric current flows. The greater the current, the stronger the magnetic field. So whenever there's electrical current, there's an electromagnetic field. And our body is full of electrical current. This is from sciencemuseum.org.uk. A nerve impulse is a wave of electrical activity that passes from one end of a neuron to the other. Nerve impulses are a way of coding information in a similar way to FM radio, allowing information to be transmitted both quickly and accurately. So not only are we full of electrical pulses, these electrical pulses send messages. There's information flowing up and down our nerves and to our neurons all the time. So we're a hotbed of electrical activity. And this means that we generate an electromagnetic field. Now in terms of quantum physics, everything's made up of energy anyway, but we're looking at reality in physical terms right now. So in a physical sense, as you can see here, the human body radiates out an electromagnetic field for several feet actually. And it comes from different organs in the body, some stronger than others. This is from the Journal of Theoretics. The human electromagnetic energy field, its relationship to interpersonal communication. The electric charges coursing through the human brain are measurable by means of an electroencephalogram. Humans thus have an electromagnetic energy field. As a result of this, the human body could act as an aerial that has the potential for simultaneous transmission and reception of energy with its environment. And it goes on. Our very physical bodies may be aerials that can simultaneously transmit electromagnetic energy to and receive electromagnetic energy from our physical environment, including to and from other people. And that this energy does indeed influence us as both emotions and thoughts, the latter being particularly focused when discussing the issue of prayer. I'll save prayer for another video, but here it's touching on the fact that our electromagnetic field can cause some kind of communication to occur, so that we're sending and receiving messages perhaps on a subconscious level without realising it. And this can contribute to when you just get a feeling about someone. You have intuitions about their personality, or you receive empathic feelings, empathic emotions about someone, and then later on you're proved right. Oh, I knew they were a certain way, or I knew they were a nice person, etc. This is from the Heart Math Institute. The electricity of touch, detection and measurement of cardiac energy exchange between people. The data presented here clearly show that when people touch or are in proximity, a transference of the electromagnetic energy produced by the heart occurs. This energy exchange was evidenced by the registration of one individual's electrocardiogram or wave peak at different sites on another person's body surface, but also from Heart Math. Heart Math studies show that this powerful electromagnetic field can be detected and measured several feet away from a person's body and between two individuals in close proximity. So here we start to realise the absolute importance of touch and being close to people, because if communication really does occur between our electromagnetic fields on a subconscious level, then being in close proximity is very important. Now really interestingly, this is from the Royal College of Psychiatrists. The heart's magnetic field. Research has also revealed that the heart communicates information to the brain and throughout the body via electromagnetic field interactions. The heart generates the body's most powerful and most extensive rhythmic electromagnetic field. The heart's magnetic component is about 500 times stronger than the brain's magnetic field and can be detected several feet away from the body. It was proposed that this heart field acts as a carrier wave for information that provides a global synchronizing signal for the entire body. So the body is communicating with itself all the time, and we know that already. Just to be able to move your limbs, your body is communicating information through your nerves in order to maintain body temperature, to sweat, to digest, to sleep, to do anything, absolutely anything. A lot of things that are totally subconscious in terms of functionality. It's all different parts of your body communicating with other parts, namely the brain, most importantly, and the heart. It goes on. Heart field interactions between individuals. There is now evidence that a subtle yet influential electromagnetic or energetic communication system operates just below our conscious awareness. Energetic interactions possibly contribute to the magnetic attractions or repulsions that occur between individuals and also affect social relationships. It was also found that one person's brainwaves can synchronize to another person's heart. So this is wonderfully interesting that on a subconscious level we could be communicating and synchronizing with each other. Do you ever get that feeling when you meet someone there's absolute fireworks or chemistry and you just don't know why? You don't need to say a word, but you know you're a perfect match. Or indeed you meet a new friend and you just click. You just get on so well and you don't know why. You may have only exchanged a few sentences. Yes, body language and things like that come into play. But in addition, could it be true that that feeling you feel about someone is your electromagnetic field coming into contact with theirs and there's an energetic communication going on? So that feeling you get about someone, that intuition about them, you could be subconsciously reading information about their personality. You could be reading if they're a similar kind of vibrational level to you, a vibrational frequency which is similar to yours, so that you know on a subconscious level that you have similar interests without even saying a word. For example, on a subconscious level, where you might be able to tell if someone's got an open and radiant heart chakra that's as open and free-flowing as yours. So in terms of communication, this can help to explain psychic abilities and intuitive abilities, empathic abilities to do with communication and reading another individual. Although psychic readings can be done over long distances because we're all one and part of the Earth's electromagnetic field, part of the mass consciousness. But getting up close to someone, it could be a lot easier because you're actually in contact with their electromagnetic field, which could be sending and receiving subconscious information to you. And I hear from many empathic individuals that the closer they get to someone, the more they can really feel their emotions and feel their emotions as if they're their own. In addition, with a partner and you have loving physical contact, this can really be felt. And if you really get into it, this feeling can really magnify because you're in each other's electromagnetic fields. You can literally feel the love at a subconscious level. Now it's well known that touch is really important. On a physical level, touch produces biochemical responses that help us to feel good, to feel loved and included and content. But here we can see that if our electromagnetic fields are in contact with each other, there can be some kind of psychic transference of emotion at a subconscious level. I know that when I meet someone, if I'm a personality sort of match to them, or if I might slightly clash with them. If it's an individual who's quite absorbed in earthly illusions or quite materialistic or under the influence of media, I can immediately feel that about a person. I can feel if their energies are in alignment with mine, if their vibrational frequency is in alignment with mine. And then I'll be able to know before I even speak to them if I'm going to get on well with them or if it's going to be a bit more hard work. Now I'm sure you feel this too, And sometimes when you meet someone, you just immediately feel like, oh, I'm just not keen on them. Also on a soul's level, I think when our electromagnetic fields come into contact with each other, it's much easier to read each other. For example, souls all originate from different places. Some originated here on Earth, others have come from distant places. And I think when souls originate from lots of different places and feel differently about different things and have certain biases and previous lifetimes with different ways of behaviour and opinions and norms and things like that, when they all incarnate in one place, in this reality, earthly reality of ours, it can be such a mishmash of different energies. So when you come into contact with another person, on a soul's level, you can often feel if their soul is of an energetic frequency alignment to yours, if their energies are similar to yours or from the same location in the universe even. So another quick point about this is that all electrical appliances emit electromagnetic fields. And obviously this is going to intersect with our electromagnetic fields. Now how is that going to make us feel? Well, there's Wi-Fi, that's something different, but cell phones and all electrical appliances, all the ones in your kitchen, your computer, your washing machine, and then there's power lines, your television and radio, even plug sockets. Any electric machines have an electrical current running through them, they're going to have an electromagnetic field. So just be aware when you have lots of electrical devices going on around you, especially those that emit sort of strong frequencies, that it could be intersecting with your field and making you feel a certain way. But on the upside, get into other people's electromagnetic fields, see what it feels like. If you find a negative one, still have love for everyone and everything. But if you find a nice one that feels good, maybe get a bit closer. So don't forget to click subscribe if you're not already a subscriber to receive regular spiritual inspiration on your journey through life. Like and share also because we're raising the mass vibration together. So go now in love and peace.